Ever felt like standing on the edge of stock market, curious but completely new to it all? Meet Sarah. She is just like you, just has heard about the stock market and wants to give it a try. But she is a complete newbie. Don't worry, Sarah. Don't worry, you guys. We are here to guide you. Today we are going to take you on a journey with Sarah as she learned three things with respect to how to use international security. First, how to add fund in international securities account. Second, how to buy and sell companies listed on ADX and DFM. And third, how to withdraw that money back into her account. No tricky terms, just simple steps. But if you are wondering why Sarah chose to open an account with International Securities and not with any other UAE broker, then you have to watch this video and link is in the description. Now let's move on and see International Securities app. After login, you will land on home screen where you will get an overview how market is doing today. At the top section, you can see Abu Dhabi Exchange Index, and if you want to switch it to DFM, you can swipe left. And below to that exchange, you will see companies listed in these exchanges. If you want to check top gainers and loser, you can tap on top section. And at the bottom, next to home screen, there are options like order list, trades, account summary and portfolio. Let's keep it quick and simple. To add funds in your international securities account, you have to tap on menu at the top and find for cash deposit option. This is the online cash transfer facility provided by International Securities. First, you have to select your bank. Then you have to enter the amount. Remember, the minimum amount to use this facility is 500 dirham. Tap on transfer and accept the disclaimer. You will be redirected to UAE Central Bank Payment Gateway. Agree the terms and condition and tap on submit button. Then you will land to your bank's internet banking site. Enter your bank's credential, select your account, check available balance and complete the transaction. Once transaction is successful, you will be redirected back to International Securities app and you will get a success message. Your added fund will appear under buying power in account summary. I know friends, you are excited to know how to buy and sell stocks from International Securities. So let's move on. Search for company for which you want to buy shares. Company details screen will open where you can see the last traded price, days high or days low and the other details like market depth, etc. To buy, simply click on green button named as buy, enter the quantity in the order section. Then enter the price at which you want to buy the shares. Select order type as limit if you want to buy share at your desired price. This order will remain valid till your selected validity period, and if stock price reaches to your order price, then it will get executed. Else, select order type as market if you want to execute the order as quickly as possible at the current market price. Buying stock is a bit like buying a car. With a car, either you can pay the dealer's sticker price and get the car. This is market order. Or on the other hand, you can negotiate a price and refuse to finalize the deal unless the dealer meets your valuation. This is limit order. Next option of your interest is validity. This means how long you want your limit order to be valid. By default, it's for a day, but if you want order to be valid for a week, you can choose GTW, or for a month, you can use GTM, or till particular date, then GTD. There are many other options which we will discuss in detail later in separate video. You can see your order status in order list. Once placed, your order status is active, and when it's executed by International Securities, then this will change to fulfilled. And you can check the shares in your portfolio section. Congratulations, you have become an official investor. So friends, Sarah and you have made some great investments. Now it's time to withdraw your money back in your bank account. To do that, you have to again go to menu at the top. And this time you have to search for transfers. Once you tap on transfer, you will get new screen with 4 options. Internal transfers, external transfers, banks and transfers. So first, internal transfers is to transfer your money within International Securities account. You can see in this option we have normal and margin account. So if you wish to transfer from normal to margin account, you can use this option. But to withdraw your money in your bank account, you have to use other 2 options, which is external transfer or banks. While opening an account with International Securities, you must have given your UAE's bank account number. So to transfer in your registered bank account with International Security, you can use this external transfer option. Select your account from which you want to transfer from International Security. Select 2 accounts in which you want to transfer. Enter the amount and submit the transaction. You will get a message that your transaction is successful. If you wish to withdraw in any other bank which is not registered with International Securities, then you can use this banks option. And at last, all your transfers history you can check in Transfers tab. So there you have it, friends. We followed Sarah's journey of adding funds to International Securities account or buying and selling stocks from ADX and DFM, and then withdraw money back into her bank account. Remember, take your time. If you have any question, you can reach out to their customer support, or else you can write your queries in the comment section below. Thank you for joining us on this adventure with Sarah. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more such simple guides. Thank you. Happy investing.